Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix the DX12 is not supported on your game for Elder Scrolls Oblivion, and let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is go ahead and open up Steam. From Steam, right click on Elder Scrolls Oblivion, Properties, and go over to Installed Files, and go ahead and just hit Verify Integrity of Game Files. This just checks if there are any corrupt files and will fix that issue. But once you're done with that, you can go ahead and open up the search bar and type Device Manager in. Once the Device Manager is open, go ahead and go over to Display Adapters, right click on your GPU and hit Update Driver, and then go ahead and choose Search Automatically for drivers. Now once that's done updating, you can go ahead and X out. And another way to do this is by going over to the GeForce Experience app as well if you are on NVIDIA. Now once that's done, you can go ahead and hit Not Now. Make your way over to once it's done loading, just go over to Not Now, go over to drivers, and then from drivers make your way over to check for updates. And now if you haven't install the update, and once it's installed it will say you have the latest GeForce Game Ready driver and a check. Now I highly recommend restarting your PC as well. Now once you're done with all of these steps, you guys are good to go, and that is it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.